is... ay, nawala yung first question.
Hanapin mo, hanapin.
Na-ready ko na
Eh, nag-Christmas party ka ba kagabi?
Hindi
Kasi
na ako punta.
kahapon nag-guest ako sa I Know, right? After nun, baka sinegway ka pa eh.
No, parang ang gusto ko malala, napanood ko yung trailer ng Mary Mary Me. Kaninong idea yung story ng pelikula?
No, I've always had this concept in my head, but I don't want to take full credit about the whole story because pinalago na siya, pinalawak na siya,
Okay.
and then marami ng inputs na binigay ang creative team ng 10
But it
Seconds
started
to
with your idea.
With a concept, with the
Okay.
idea, with a concept, and then pinalago lang nila. It started with a concept na parang ang sarap gumawa ng family movie and then rom-com movie into one. So
Okay.
it's a family rom-com.
Kasi you've done a family rom-com with Sam. Yung kay Erap and
Yes.
Ay,
Yes.
diba?
But that one was parang more family. 10% lang yung rom-com.
Okay.
Part.
Yeah.
Oo.
And mas
oo.
comedy talaga.
Mas full-on comedy
Yeah.
kasi.
Was it originally sister kind of movie, Tony?
It was originally for a story about two sisters na magkakaroon ng conflict dahil nga sa isa.
Okay, so in mind, na-ready mo na kayo dalawa ni Alex yung nasa pelikula.
I've always wanted to work with Alex. Gusto
Okay.
ko makita kung paano siya makakatrabaho sa film, kung ano yung magiging dynamics namin because in real life and even sa mga vlogs or even on TV, I feel like we've always had this strong bond and chemistry and I just wanna see how it will reflect on the big screen.
Si Sam ba ang only and first choice or...
Talagang ang top of the head choice talaga si
Thank you.
Sam.
Well, si Direk Paul ang nag-suggest to is what I know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Direk Paul kasi fan ng Somethingers.
Oo, ako din. Kaya to kay Tony yung You Are the One, I am such a big fan of that movie. So, kailan yun? 2004?
2006.
1992.
Ay, wow! So, 12 years! 12 years na.
12 years.
Pero yung sa inyo na kila Erap ay
That was
2009.
2009.
Yeah.
That was like our last partnership in a movie.
Doon ba kayo naghiwalay? Di ba yung year naghiwalay kayo?
Hindi kami naghiwalay noon. Ano yung sa amin, iba na yung girlfriend si Sam, hindi ako yun.
Sila na ni Direk Paul noon.
Sila na!
Kami ni Nicole noon, 2008
Yes.
kami.
You got me sila.
You got me, ayun. Sanjo. Tess!
Okay, Tito Nestor Cordero sa question.
Hi, Tito Nestor.
So, it took so long. Bakit natagalan yung pag-reunite ni Tony at saka ni Sam?
I guess, right project. We were just waiting for the right project, the right opportunities. And parang si Sam was also exploring different leading ladies. And I was also taking on a different path. But then I think this project is just the right time na nagkasama uli kami because we've grown so much as individuals, as actors. Parang mas mature na kami ngayon. There's so much professionalism on the set. So I actually enjoyed working with someone.
Hindi ba sundot lang ako Kuya Nestor, hindi ba dahil may hugot ka pa kay Sam noon?
May hugot kaya hindi nagtatawa.
Oo.
Wala naman kaming offer din sa start.
Yeah, walang offer din.
Tagal.
Yun. Same with what Tony said. I think after that movie, we just had different projects and our careers were going different ways. I was doing different movies and different projects with different leading ladies. So yun nga, I agree with Tony, this was the perfect project, the perfect time to have a comeback movie para sa amin.
How would you compare and contrast the two sisters?
Yan.
Ooh. They're actually a lot alike, but they're very different. See, Alex is like in times 10 version of Tony, maybe. See, Tony's very she's more the subtle, very. But silang dalawa, they're so intelligent. They have so much confidence and but Alex is just the very energetic, extreme version.
Who's a good kisser?
Ayan! Okay, go! Sagutin mo yon, Samuel.
Ikaw, press, ba't ka nagdagdag ng yung question?
Thank you, Alex. Salamat. Sam.
Eh, paano yun? Wala
Out-
pa tayo ano eh.
Okay, maybe later.
Okay.
Hindi, upper lip, lower lip.
Which one do you like? Upper or
I,
lower?
I think the lower.
Okay,
the lower.
it's yours.
Better.
It's
Di ba kasagutin yun? Who's the better kisser, Sam?
Gentleman si Sam.
Yeah.
Ah, talaga.
Hindi
Sorry.
niya masasagot yun.
Yung film, meron naman siyang dramatic scenes din o puro comedy lahat.
May dramatic scene ba, Alex? Ano ba?
Hindi lang mo dramatic, bugbugan scene. Lahat, action, lahat. May lumabas ding alien sa dulo.
Pero nabanggit ni Tony kasi parang merong breakdown scene kayong dalawa.
Yes, meron.
Yeah.
Parang reconciliation. But it's a perfect blend of what you always see in a rom-com and in a family movie. Like, there's so much heart in the film, there's so much laugh. But in the end, of course, there are so many realizations towards the end as it reaches its climax dun sa story. And then, you will see how it will all end. And it's up to the audience to decide kung na-justify
That's
the
fine. The
ending.
director is not here, but can you tell us something about him?
Direct RC is on his way. He came from
Actually, Derek RC po, this is his first film. And he was not supposed to be the director, but parang siguro God's plan talaga na 2 days before the shooting, nag-back out yung director namin. And then, Derek RC was already part of this film 2 years ago pa, nung kinoconceptualize pa lang. So, he was in this, he was a producer. So, he was in the making of the movie, yung behind the scenes, since day one. So, alam na alam niya. So, when Direk Paul will choose another director, sabi niya, it should be RC. Parang wala nang iba pang director kundi RC.
RC has been with Star Cinema for the longest time. He's worked with Sam.
Yeah.
He's always been part of the production and he's worked his way up. He's worked with Direk Joyce, Direk Tonet, Direk May. So he's been an apprentice of so many directors.
Producer siya ni Direk Paul, di ba?
Yes,
For sure
and he's the
daw.
producer of 1017 film. So he's been in the movie industry for quite some time now. I think this is a great launching pad for him to showcase his skills and his talent and his vision as a director also in storytelling. So we have so much confidence in RC after watching the film and the finished product.
Last point, what is Tin Can and who's behind it?
Actually, Tin Can we gave birth to Tin Can because when the movie was finally finished, after everything was edited and with scoring and all that, the movie is so glossy, it's so mainstream, it's so my brand. I feel like it's a brand na gusto ko yung buhay na buhay, lively. It's a rom-com, family feels kind of movie. And then when they started putting the logo of 1017 in the beginning, parang 1017, and then biglang lumabas yung picture. It was so bright. Parang sabi lang ni Paul, I just felt na this has to be under another film outfit. Because if you look back dun sa reel ng 1017s, parang puro award-winning film sila. Parang mga puro pang festival, pang abroad. Not just independent, but talagang parang pang submit sa mga Cannes, Berlin.
Short nireject kami ni Direk Paul.
No, parang sinabi ni Paul na I think we have to branch out. If Tony wants to do her concepts, she has to have her own production that will produce the kind of movies that she likes. And I've always been a fan of rom-coms. It's the only kind of movie that I watch, the feel-good movies and the comedies. So sabi niya, why don't you branch out your own production film outfit that will produce those kinds of movies? Kaya siya naging Tin Can Productions. Well, Tin is my name. They call me Tin, Celestine. And then parang Paul came up with a can. Parang, in a positive way, I can also. Parang you can also do it. Parang can is just so positive. Na parang Tin can produce, Tin can.
Hindi ba dilata yung tin?
Alam ko yung dilata, Tin Can.
Well, also, it symbolizes a very nice concept about tin can. When I researched about it, yung mga dilata, tin cans, even if you look at it in the Pinterest, there's so many useful ways to recycle it. Pwede mo siyang gawing paso, pwede mo siyang gawing pencil holder.
Wine bag.
So, alam mo yun, na parang from a small idea, it can come up and it can develop into something else by using your creativity. O, di ba? Ang lalo nung tin can.
Nalusot mo, ha?
Okay ng explanation.
Oo.
Pero parang yun ang justification.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Nestor. Next question.